The Rivers State Social Democratic Party candidate Friday Nobari for Khana Gokana Federal Constituency don tok say make dem cancel the supplementary elections wey shele on the 15th of April 2023. He tok dis one from one tok-tok with 3 people for Port Harcourt, where him say the election get plenty wayo and say the process no clear at all. He still tok say na some members of the People Democratic Party (PDP) say na dem do the rigging wey shele for the election for the area.
Election was conducted in the rest of the units on the 25th of February, and I was in the lead in almost all the units, except 2 units that were cancelled. And if you subtract, 2 wards. If you subtract 2 wards from 36, you have 34. And so, if election is conducted in 34 wards out of 36, a clear winner could emerge. But it was not done, because I won the election at the first instance. We demanded for clarification on our status before the supplementary election. INEC refused. Unfortunately, what we saw was war. There were over 300 personnel, police personnel in the place. And we had 4 armored cars on standby, led by the CSO government house. So there was a conspiracy against SDP and our candidate by both the police, INEC, who supported everything that they were doing. All you hear they announce that is a result, is not the result that emanated from the polling units, because there was no counting. In fact, there was no voting. The few votes that were done, they disrupted it. No counting, no recording, no transmission of the result at the polling units. On the team that came to rig the election, as apart from the CSO, were Senator Barim Piggy. He's from Thai, a serving senator. Emmanuel Deya, the president of Kagote, Chief Kenneth Kobani was there. High Chief Solomon Dibara was there. Dr. Fred Kwako, the Commissioner for Agriculture, was there. All these people I'm mentioning, they are not from Khana local government. Chief Grigor Windan from Bane, Ward 10, was also there, and many others. My call on INEC is that election be cancelled, reason being that we are not aware of what transpired in the first election that was conducted on the 25th of February.
Mr. Fidenke, or Fenko as they call him, he knows me very well. Except, of course, in Nigeria, nobody loses an election. So he does not want to admit that he has lost. Maybe looking for a straw, a drowning man looking for a straw to hold on to. Otherwise, he won't say that I came there to read. In what manner? I was not eligible to vote in Ward 4 and Ward 7. And I did not also give anybody money. I did not also discuss with anyone. So how could I have rigged such an election? And in any case, before we went to the supplementary election, he was losing with almost 7,000 votes. His opponent, the Right Honorable Dumdeko, had well over 6,800. I will not allow the organization, Kagote, to be used for any partisan political interest.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojisali, TMC TV News.